Maintenance is essential as it keeps your printer running smoothly. The Epson SureColor F9530H offers ease of maintenance to improve daily operations and productivity. Performing suction cap clean, print head cleaning, nozzle check, and head cleaning replacement ensures efficient operation and helps maintain excellent print quality. We will show you how to do all these step by step. To perform suction cap cleaning, press Maintenance button and choose Cleaning the maintenance parts. Suction cap. Check the message and then press Start button. Push down the panel, then open the maintenance cover. Pour cleaning liquid into the container up to the first scale. Dampen the cleaning stick with cleaning liquid. Hold the cleaning stick in a perpendicular orientation and wipe around the outside of the caps in the direction of the arrow. Hold the cleaning stick crosswise and wipe the edges of the caps in the direction of the arrow. Confirm that it is adequately cleaned and then close the cover. To perform nozzle check, press Maintenance button and choose Print Head Nozzle Check. Select the desired print position and press Start. Check the printed check pattern. If there are no gaps in the check pattern, press Circle to proceed. If there are gaps, press X and perform head cleaning. To perform print head cleaning, press Maintenance button and choose Head Cleaning. Choose cleaning levels according to the clogging situations. Perform auto cleaning first, then cleaning light, finally cleaning heavy. After head cleaning is completed, press Yes to print the nozzle check pattern and check for clogged nozzles. If the clogging is not solved, perform step 1 to 4 again. To perform head cleaning kit replacement, press Maintenance button and choose Replace Head Cleaning Set. Open the maintenance cover. Place your fingers in the indentations at the back of the wiper unit and pull it slightly forward. Lift up the wiper unit to remove it. After taking out the new wiper unit, use its packaging to wrap the wiper unit that was removed. Place the new wiper unit on the bracket and push it in until it clicks. To replace the flushing pad, grip the tab and pull the flushing pad up slowly. Once the wasting stops dripping, remove the used pad from the printer and place it on a metal tray. Insert the 2 hooks on the new flushing pad into the slots and push down until it clicks into place. Put the removed flushing pad into the bag that used to contain the new flushing pad. Then close the cover. The printer is now in great shape and ready to get back to work. Keep your Epson SC-F9530H printer running at optimal condition with minimal downtime or maintenance.